everyone, my name is Sao. Today I will read a book Who Loves Carrots. Here comes a carrot fresh out of the ground. It's ready for someone to eat. Monkey wants to eat carrot or monkey wants to eat it. Carrots are sweet. Parrot wants to eat too. She loves veggies. Polar bear will eat that carrot in 2 bits. Giraffe like to chop on carrots. They are really crunchy. Elephant will always share a carrot. That's bright orange color, so it has lots of vitamin C. Tortoise knows carrots are a special treat. They eat them slowly. Don't enjoy a country carrot, but God will eat anything. How about you? Would you care for a carrot or two? Alright everyone.